In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change style or change shapes in Lucidchart. So in order to do this, first thing you need to do is to head over to lucidchart.com and you should be able to see in here this part. Click on this sign up free in order to sign up to your account, or you can also sign up using your Google, Microsoft, or Slack. In my case, I already have an account, so let me head over and click on this sign up free. Don't worry because when you click on it, you should be able to see in here this window that allows you to sign up or log in. In this case, let's choose login. Then input your email or username. Click on next and enter your password. Now here is my Lucid chart dashboard. So let's head over to our existing file, or you can also create a new one if you would want. I have in here this file and here is what it looks like. Now I have in here this shapes. I want to change its style. To do this, just head over and click onto the shape that you wish to change the icon with. And in here, you can right click on it. You can see in here that you can actually set a default style. Also, add notes and change the document settings. And you can see this more action option. You can add this shape to a custom library. Now, you can add this already as a default shape. However, if you want to change it into something more, what you can do is you can utilize other features. Now, when you click on this, you can see that it will open this icon. When you click on other option, it will also open this. So this is actually the icon for changing the shape. However, click on this and you can see this existing shapes that we currently have. For example, let's choose this, and as you can see, it's been changed like that. So you can actually set this as your default shape. You can also change the color of that if you would want to as well. So that's how you style or change shapes in Lucidchart. I hope this video helped you out.